In this video, you'll discover how to make these viral videos easily with the power of AI. You might ask, what videos? These videos. You probably have seen one of these guessing the movie by emoji videos once in your life and probably watched the entire video without even knowing. These quiz videos have so high engagement that they keep the viewer's attention at high rates. We are talking about 80% to 90% audience retention. If you're a YouTuber, you probably know that's extremely incredible. And the best part is, we'll edit it so it's monetizable. And you can start earning through various methods, including YouTube, TikTok, and even Instagram. We'll come back to those later in the video. Make sure to watch that if you want to monetize your channel and videos. So in this video, you'll get a full guide on making videos about this next. So here's the video I made in this tutorial, and let's start. First, come to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. The prompt is in the description, so you can just simply copy it and paste in ChatGPT. After that, you can see ChatGPT gave us the movie names, and beside them are the emojis for the movies. Our main research work is completed that easily. Now you need some cool background. I found a free background website named jitter.com. Here you can find various backgrounds and customize it like this. This website also has a lot of other templates you might like. If you got the background, it's time for the editing. I'll use CapCut. Come to CapCut and import your background like this. After that, add this text on the top that says guess the movie by emojis, and then put this 1 by 3 because we'll do 3 rounds. Then put some options here. Get 4 options like this and put your correct answer in one of them. And the other 3 should be whatever you want. They will be incorrect answers. Now watch what I did here, so you will have a clear idea on what I just said. If that's done, now you need to add a timer like this right over here. I got this timer from the speaker section of CapCut. If you got this, put it right here beneath the options like I did. And come to the sound effects and search for clock ticking sound. Add one you like. There are many options you can choose from. Now search for bell sound. Add a bell sound after the timer ends like this, and copy this text and put it here again, and cut everything out except the answer like this. Now you got the exact size. It's like a full-on cheat code. Set the color to green and move on to the questions. If you wanna add a whoosh sound, add it here. And for this video, I'll just copy and paste the previous question here for an example. For you, you'll need to go to ChatGPT and get another question. You see, it looks well edited, and then you need to repeat the whole process. Make sure to change this number every time the question changes. If you did everything correctly, you'll have a good edited video. Now we'll be talking about how to post these videos. TikTok and Instagram will be fine with this video, since there is no guidelines on this content. But YouTube might see these videos as repetitive content and might not monetize your videos, but they might also monetize your videos, because if you change the background and the editing style, it's not repetitive. So you should make a TikTok account and an Instagram account, also YouTube account, and post your videos every single one of your account. If you're not eligible for the TikTok creativity program because of your country, you can buy an US TikTok account. You can watch tutorials about that on YouTube. Countries eligible for the TikTok creativity program are USA, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Korea, and Japan. That's all for today. If this helped, please subscribe. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. I'll surely help you. Have a fantastic day.